What y'all doing? Let's get into this drink. Freak in Paradise. Don't it look good? Okay, first we're going to start off by taking some strawberry syrup and putting them in the bottom of the cup. After we do that, we're going to put some ice in here. Then we're going to go ahead and put in the honey packs. This one is for me. Yes, just a little. Like that. Now for him, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the whole pack in. Yup, the whole pack. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in some lemonade. Yeah, just like that. Then I'm going to put in some Reposado Tequila. Pour a lot. Then we're going to go ahead and mix it all together. Yep, like that. Then we're going to go ahead and top it off with some Hennessy. Yeah, for me and him. Okay. Now we're going to decorate it, make it look real pretty, and there you go. Freak in Paradise. Don't it look delicious? And don't forget to grab your VIP Royal Honey Packs. Enjoy.